Hello guys, and welcome to your new dashboard. Now this dashboard is going to help you to track a lot of cool things. Now this will be a quick video so you understand how it works. Now first at the top right, you can still create a project by clicking on a plus button. You can also create one by going on projects created and click on create. This is the number of projects that you have created, as well as you got the leads received, the quotes that has been viewed, the permit sets that has been ordered, the shading reports, the quotes that has been sent. Now, one important thing is that here at the top right again, you have a timeline period that you can select. You can select last week, last month. You can select a custom date range, however you want it. And that way you can look at your stats. Remember, you want to make sure that the amount of projects created matches the amount of quotes that has been sent. Now the reason here is because this is my test account, so I'm not sending every quote. But here, let's say you have 39 projects created for this month, you must have 39 projects sent for this month. And you know how to send a quote. You go directly on the actual quote and you click at the top right, send quote. You have your email template ready and you just submit the quote. And it will tell you, yay, you have successfully sent this quote. Now, if I get back to my dashboard, let's look a little bit further here. Quotes viewed. Remember, you can click on that and then it will take you to your project page with all the quotes that have been viewed, the ones that you've sent and that your client has viewed. Every time a client sees a new quote, then you get a notification by text and by email letting you know that that person has viewed the quote. These are your hottest leads. These are the ones that you want to keep on the top priority. Now, moving forward, you have your to-do list. As you can see here, these are all the things that you have in your list. Here's one cool thing about the to-do list. Every time that you have a project that your client will sign, now, one that will sign is directly here. They will go, they will sign it, they will submit it, and all the project steps, so all your project steps that you have here for that specific project, they get transmitted directly in your to-do list according to the exact dates, and you can edit them. How cool is that? It means that you already have automatically all of your tasks that you have to do for every project that your client has signed. Remember, e-sign. Let's say that you want to stay old school and you want to just say, you know what, let's keep on signing a PDF. I suggest that you go on the actual quote of the client and you sign it just so that you have all your to-do lists transmitted automatically on your dashboard. And you know exactly what you got to do and what's coming up. Let's say that you want to add an event. You click on add event. Let's say you need to go get new permit set, for example. You can select the date and the time. You can write a description for client John Smith, for example. You create and it will go directly right here, as you can see, and you can even click on it, delete it, edit it. You can do whatever you want. So you can add as many events as you want, and that is key. This is for your to-do list. Now, a cool thing on the right, you have company activity. Now, this is a little bit like a news feed, which means that it registered everything that has been done. As you can see, I just sent a quote. Now, you have a permit set that I have requested. Here you have notes. You have the projects that have been created. So every little action that happens in your account, you can actually have access to it. And you have a clear history and order of what has been done for your company. When you're the account owner, the account manager, then you have access to everything. When you're a user, a regular user, which is not the account owner, you have access to your specific activity. Now, how cool is that? All of that is registered automatically, and then you can look at stats, and we're going to buff this dashboard a lot with a lot more stats. You can track all the progression of everything simultaneously. There's a lot of very cool things coming up. So start getting used to your dashboard. You will see it's mobile friendly, it's tablet friendly, and most importantly, it's there to make your life easier, to find automation, and to accelerate your sales process. We hope that you have enjoyed this video and see you on the next one.